Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to animate. To animate in TinkerCAD, you can go to the sim lab. As example here, I will create a sub here. Okay, we create the shape here. Then I will resize this sub here like this. The next you can go to sim lab, and to make animation, you can use these tools connector. So there are four connector. For example, I will only use this connector, Excel connector. You can click and then click at this point. I will move into center point of this object. You can select the object and then use align tools. I will click point to here. The next, you can select the connector and you can see we have this green color. You can click in this object for green color and then another for the blue color. I will click this object. Can set this subject object, like we can use these tools, can click to make static, and then if you play in these buttons, play simulation, and you can throw in this object will be create the animation. So this is for the first animation in TinkerCAD. And for another, you can try use these tools, slide connector, and the next pivot connector, and the last for tracer. Okay, that's it for basic TinkerCAD tutorial, how to animate. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.